What's up, guys? Today is July 10th. The chart I have pulled up here is the Emini chart of up to July 9th. So I have hidden the July 10th chart, which I always do in the evening. The market has already closed for July 10th. I haven't looked into the chart yet. I just have set up this on a replay mode, so I will do bar by bar analysis as if I was in the real market. So yeah, let's get started. So after a big bull run that we have having for the past few days, we are kind of consolidating around this area now. Yesterday was kind of a range bound. This was kind of a range yesterday that mostly was broken out and then reversed back to the range again. Here, bulls were trapped and they were flushed down. Right, so and on the later half of the day, uh, there were there was not much any price action going on. There was slight um, break towards the lower low, creating kind of bearish action, but still with very less momentum. So let's see how today's turn out. Okay, let me make it a few more seconds so that I have time to think. Okay, started with gap up. No, no significant follow through or no significant selling, so kind of hovering around this price range. Three barbed wires pattern already, so any breakout from the barbed wires is expected to fail. Let's see, it does. So let's see, let the price action develop. If we consider this as a leg one, this gap up as a bull bar leg one pullback, we are heading for the leg two and creating an all-time high. Let's say, okay, that's an all-time high and breakout of the opening range as well. Um, leg one, leg two, kind of consolidation, and then leg three. I would expect fail in here, but who knows? Just wait and watch. Okay, so it just failed. Leg one, leg two, leg three. At least does of an EMA, or maybe close the gap even by the end of the day. This opening gap. But yeah, let's say I'm still not in the trade. Okay, so that'll be leg one and leg two. To the top of the EMA. So we have big up and big down now. So could be mostly sideways action. Leg one, pull back. Leg two. Okay, first breakout below the EMA got pulled back right away, and it was also the low of the day and the opening range. So let's see how the price action develops. I would still not get into the trade. Okay, so what's going on in here? We're kind of forming a trading range in here. Um, and the breakout just failed, so Let me draw a range in here. So we have this range, kind of breakout and then fell, and this is a pullback, so we could have one more leg. Okay, so this is a failed breakout. Definitely, I would sort below one tick below this bull bar. So below this bull bar, if the market allows me to, right? So broke out of the range, and it's a second attempt to break out, which failed. So let's see, and if the price goes higher above this bar, then I would also buy buy one tick above this bar. I mean this bar, right? Okay, so we could be filled either way. Okay, I just filled on the upside. So, and the stop loss would be around this price here, just beneath, below this bear bar. So it's a failure, right? So that means all the bulls got out and the bears are trapped, and bulls are willing to buy back their shares, and bears need to buy back their shares as well to cover their position. So we expect one more leg up. Okay. And we just got a leg up. And what's the profit target? I don't know. Um, Maybe similar to this range. Yeah, to here. So yeah. Okay, I need to get out right here because that was my profit target, right? But I would play with at least two contracts and take a profit based on the measured move, um, and then leave the other contract to play out and look at the price action. So I would still leave one contract if I was real time trading. So this is not a good sign. So yeah, one tick below that bar would be the exit. So nevertheless, it was at the same time, same point where I had to exit. So yeah, that could be a failed final flag. Let's see how it develops. So we can see leg one, or let's say after the breakout, leg one, leg two, leg three, very what do I say, parabolic move, and also creating a failed final flag. If we consider it from this one, leg one, leg two, leg three, um, it's a good place to go short in here, but this is a very strong trading range. I would stay quiet. Yeah, good decision. Whoa, the market is really pushing up. Okay, so now we can count the leg from the actual breakout from right here. Leg one, we can ignore this now. Leg two and the leg three, but still we are in a strong trend. A strong trend. Yeah, let me delete this. Okay, the trend line hasn't been broken yet. Okay, that broke the trend line, this upward trend line. So I would enter in the and the next low too. So I would consider this as a low one. So if there is any another low two, I would get in the trade. And it's around 2 p.m., 1:30, 2 p.m. as well. So just waiting for the low two to develop. And it could be higher high as well. It won't matter. So yeah, just from higher high, but still a low two would be the valid point to enter on the short side. This one gave us the low two, but and ended up being as a bull bar. Okay, that's a decent low two bar. So one tick below this bar, I would short if the market allows me to, right? Okay, just got into trade and doesn't look good. Okay, my stop loss will be around here, which did not get hit. So um, so what would be the expected move, right? At least two legs. So that's the leg one. Okay, that doesn't look good. Still in the trade, hasn't got to my stop limit yet. Stopped out. Okay, so just stopped out right here. So yeah, let's analyze it with on a different angle. If I look at from the right down here, well, there's no need to draw a trend line, I guess. Yeah, leg one, leg two, leg three. So much going on in here. But we can see the breakout are not that strong, right? This breakout moved by a few ticks, and then there was a pullback. This broke out by few points, and there's a pullback. So this is a relatively strong breakout, but not as strong as we have seen, right? Thus far. It's around 350 as well. So I think that's it for the day. The price would hover around this range. Yeah, a lot of choppy price action, but still favoring the bulls. Whoa, to the moon. Okay, guys, that's it for me. Wasn't the part of this trade, um, and that's okay. You get only what you deserve, I guess. Thank you.